Hey friends, welcome back to Hustle to Harmony. This is the podcast where we both take time out of our week to help you stop running around like a chicken with your head cut off. Today we're going to talk about something that most entrepreneurs don't like to admit out loud, and that is the success hangover. When you hit the milestone, the 6 figures, the 10K months, whatever it is, the sold out launch, the big revenue month, and instead of feeling on top of the world, you're tired, maybe even resentful and wondering, is this really it? Because I know that happened to me. This is what I call the success hangover, and it happens because success amplifies the cracks in your foundation. More clients, more money, more visibility. It all makes your existing energy leaks bigger, not smaller. So in this episode, I'm going to break down why growth often feels exhausting instead of exciting, and what you can do to protect your energy so scaling doesn't come at the cost of your sanity. Here's the thing, hitting that next level is not going to fix what's draining you right now. If your calendar is already jammed, more clients will not magically give you more space. If you're already skipping lunch, a bigger revenue month will not suddenly inspire you to start prioritizing your health. I had a client who crossed 6 figures for the first time. She thought it would feel super freeing, but instead, she told me that she felt like she just gave herself a bigger prison because she was still doing everything for herself. More clients, more admin, more fires to put out. Her energy leaks didn't disappear with more money, they multiplied. That is the core of a success hangover. More growth without better energy management just means more exhaustion. Now, let's call out the lies that we tell ourselves on the way up to these massive goals, right? Number one, I'll rest when I hit that next level. No, you won't. You'll push through the goalpost again because that's what you've been doing. But rest is not a reward. It is a requirement for living, for sustaining, for growth. Lie number two, once I hire someone, I'll finally feel less overwhelmed. But that's not true. Because if you don't have the systems in place, you'll just micromanage and feel even more drained. A team does not solve chaos. It will multiply it unless you lead differently. Lie number three, more money equals more freedom. Only if your energy management scales with your revenue. Otherwise, you'll have more money sitting in the bank while you're too tired to enjoy it. So if you've been telling yourself any of these, that's the setup for a success hangover. Here's how we're going to shift it. I call this framework protect, prioritize, plug. The 3 Ps. Protect means guard your energy like you guard your bank account. That means non-negotiables are sleep, taking breaks, and boundaries, not just with clients, but with family and friends as well. If you do not protect it yourself, nobody else will. Number 2 is prioritize. Do the work that actually moves revenue and joy forward. That might mean saying no to projects that look really good on paper, but drain you in practice. That might mean saying no to family and friends when they want you to do something that isn't exactly in alignment with where you're going. And the last one is plug. Find your biggest energy leaks and plug them. Maybe it's clients who consistently cross boundaries. Maybe it's platforms that don't bring ROI. Maybe it's overcommitment. Maybe it's all 3. But plug one leak at a time. You will absolutely feel the difference. We're not going to work less for the sake of working less. We're going to work smarter so that growth gives you more energy and doesn't take it away from you. I'm going to go into plug a little bit more here, okay? Because I think this is where a lot of people do struggle. So if you have clients that are constantly crossing boundaries, you have to put the boundary in place, whether it's an email, a letter, a text message, a phone call, I don't care what it is. A blanket statement that says, policy update, as of this day, as of this time, I'm available from whatever to whatever, 10 to 2 on Mondays, or I have open office hours on Wednesdays, when maybe that's an admin day where you do catch-up stuff. Whatever it is, set something in place that says, I'm not responding within 2 minutes, right? After 5 o'clock, you're gonna have to wait until the next day. And I'm not responding on the weekends. Set whatever feels good for you and your business and your life up so that way you have those boundaries in place. And you can always refer back. Hey, I sent a letter about this the other day. You signed off saying you agreed. And this is what we're gonna have to stick to. Nobody's business is gonna burn to the ground within 24 hours. If it is, and it's your job to hold on to their business and make sure they don't drown, I'd like to hire you, please, right? If you're the end all be all, the catch 22 at the very end of everything that's gonna hold somebody's business up and you have to respond immediately, bless you. You should probably be charging a lot more money than you do. I'm gonna go ahead and assume you're not though. All right, what about platforms that don't bring you an ROI? I know we've all said it. I'm doing research when you're scrolling, right? Or you have to create this content so you can post and so you can get clients. But what if you never got a client from posting? What if you never got a client from a reel? What if nobody ever downloaded a lead magnet from you posting on social media, right? Is that a platform that doesn't bring you an ROI? I was writing a blog for a while, and guess what? I didn't get an ROI, so I no longer write a blog. I could very easily transcribe these episodes and turn them into blogs. I really could. But again, that's still time that I'm taking to do the blog, set it up, put it up, and for what? When I did it for a couple months, it didn't see an ROI, right? It doesn't make sense, so I stopped doing it. This podcast, I definitely have an ROI. There are more people coming into my world. I'm having more conversations with people, right? It feels really good for me to be here. And I can bunch out a bunch of reels from it as well and use that to post on social media and not have to worry about it. So define ROI, right? Return on investment. Is it time investment? Is it a money investment? Is it a personal investment? Like, what is it? What is it that you're getting that ROI back on, right? Maybe you're overcommitting. Maybe you've signed up to go to 12 networking meetings and now you're exhausted. Nobody wants to go to 12 networking meetings. Or maybe you do, but right? Check and see, where are you overcommitting? Where are you saying yes when it doesn't feel right? Where are you saying yes when it's not in alignment with your goals and your values? Where are you saying yes where it's not in alignment with where you want to be? Pick one of those things, plug the leak, and watch how much better, how much more expansive you feel, how much more clear you're able to think, okay? We have to start prioritizing and systemizing the things that work for us, not against us. The success hangover happens because growth amplifies your energy leaks. If you do not manage your energy with the same focus that you manage your money, every new level is just gonna feel harder and harder and harder. But with protect, prioritize, and plug, you can scale in a way that feels really, really good and actually enjoy your business you've worked so hard to build. If this resonated with you, make sure to subscribe, tap the like button, leave me a comment, please. And if you want more of this unfiltered strategy, then come hang out with me on Instagram. It's Johanna_Catherine, I believe, but the link is down below. Remember, your success isn't about doing more and more and more. It's creating more energy and freedom with every level that you have. Sometimes we have to subtract.